Joining us today on Morning Blend is Dr. Michael Schaefer, a clinical psychologist with PAR Rehab Services as well as Sparrow Hospital. Today we're talking about Rockin' for Alls, and it's an event coming up October 16th, this Saturday at the Breslin Center in East Lansing. All the details will be available at the end of it. This is a fundraiser for the Alzheimer's Association. Dr. Schaefer, talk about why the work that they do at the Alzheimer's Association is so important to our community.
It's, you know what, so first of all, good morning. The Alzheimer's Association is really an invaluable resource for our community. It allows individuals to access research programs. So getting mom or dad involved in a program, so that has a national benefit, local benefits of connecting with resources, respite programs, individual treatment programs, let's say geriatric physicians, and then just other kinds of mental health programs. And so the Alzheimer's Association is genuinely an invaluable program locally, statewide, and then nationally.
Probably finding caretaker services as well. Like we were talking about, maybe just needing someone to take care of your loved one when you go get groceries.
Well, it's remarkable that when we as family members are trying to take care of other people, how difficult it can become. If you think about the national statistics, for Alzheimer's disease, we're talking about 6 million people in the United States have been diagnosed with this condition. Probably every 60 seconds, somebody is diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease. And then more close to home, we're talking about 200,000 people diagnosed. But what that number does not include is the 10 million people who are family members taking care of patients with Alzheimer's disease in this country. It's remarkable. So when you talk about, well, what support programs do those people have? You have to look to national and state and local programs like the Alzheimer's Association, which again is the largest nonprofit program in the world.
And none of us has been untouched by Alzheimer's. Some family member, some coworker, some friend, some acquaintance has been diagnosed, or we know someone who's a caretaker, and that's such a heavy burden for someone.
Absolutely. And there is plenty of research to show that individuals who are helping to manage family members with dementia processes will oftentimes experience depression or anxieties or worries on their own, right? If you think about just the financial burden that's associated with dementias and Alzheimer's disease, and then helping to coordinate that. Nobody wants to have mom or to have dad or have their uncle go live in a facility. Everyone wants to initially say, well, let's have them at home, but that's not always possible. So having a resource like the Alzheimer's Association is it's remarkable. We're very lucky.
And you guys can help support that by coming out to the fun event Saturday at Breslin Center. More information online, Rockin' for Alls. We're going to have fun, and we're going to raise money for a great cause. Thank you so much for your work, Doctor.